Hello everyone, project 2, video 2, and today I am going to simulate some of the experiments regarding pendulums, and not the pendulums with ideal cases with no air resistance and all that. We are going to simulate the pendulums with all these physical factors accounted for. So in the first experiment we are going to just animate two of these pendulums with different resistive factors. In one of them the resistance factor is a constant 0. 0.2, and in the second one it's 0. 0.1. The one with the 0. 0.1 factor is colored red. So let's see what happens. Okay, so in the second experiment I am going to change the length of the pendulums, and I'm going to make the second pendulum with length of 2 meters. So I'm going to divide this 9.8 factor by 2, because in equation the factor is representing g by l. So, and let me change this back to 0. 0.2 so that every other factor is identical. And the black one is the pendulum with the length of 2 meters, and the first one is with length 1 meters. Okay, so as we can see, motion is different, but sometimes they are actually matching up, like these points. Wait for it, like this one, like this one. And other than that, I cannot see any pattern in this motion other than the sine and this exponential decay. So let's try another one. In this one, what I will do is I will change the resistive factor to a positive one. I will change the sign. So it's no longer a resistance. Now the motion is not being stopped by air resistance. So it will actually increase exponentially. So as we see now, this graph just goes down. So it means that the theta is just increasing and increasing and increasing. Like it's not coming back, right? It's just revolving round and round and round. And in the last one, let's put this one of them on moon. Let me change it back to negative 0. 0.2, and let's put one of them on moon. So on moon, let me change this one also. So what's the gravity on moon? Let me just see. What's the gravity on moon? It's 1.625. I'm sorry for not remembering that. 1.625. Let's see. The red one is the one on the moon. and the black one is on Earth. So that's that's it for today.